Welcome to Div Tech 101, aka Black Mantle, where we discuss information technology, also known as IT. What I want to do today is talk to you about how to select data, copy data, and paste data where you need it in different locations. Most of the time when people are copying information, they normally left click, they drag over the information, and then they click copy, then they go to the new location, and then they right click, and then they select paste. But there's a couple of shortcuts that you can do to move the information. So one of the first things that you can do is if you want to double click the text that you need, you can actually double click it if it's in a single field, or if you need to highlight the text, you can simply left click and drag over if you want, or you can basically do a control and A, and it's going to select all the text, especially within a page. Your next step, what you can do is instead of right clicking and selecting copy, you can just simply push Control C on the keyboard. That's going to copy the selected information that's in blue that you just highlighted. What you do from that point is you go to the new location where you need the data, and you can do a couple things. You can either right click the new spot, and then you can select paste, and sometimes it will give you the option of selecting some different formatting options when you paste it, if you want to do the values only or the formulas including the values as well, especially in Microsoft Excel. But what you can do is you can, once you get to the new location, you can verify that your cursor is blinking. You can do Control V as in Victor, and what that would do is basically paste the information in this new location, and you may or may not need to format that once you get that portion done. After you do that, you pretty much have selected and pasted the information where you need it. And you can use this a lot, especially if you have your fingers on the keyboard. You can hold your fingers on the control and then the letter C, and then hover it over the letter V as well. So you can do pretty much a fast copy portion of it there. And that is pretty much how you simply select the information, how you copy the information, and how you paste the information to a new location. Now, what I want to try and do is do some visual tutorials, because I know some people are more tactile learners, so they learn more by seeing it, but that's just pretty much off the top of my head. Since I've been doing it for so long and working with computers and technology, you begin to remember these shortcut commands, which are going to be beneficial to you in your daily life whenever you are working within data or working with data and systems. Like, listen, and subscribe. Div Tech 101, aka Black Mantle. Look forward to talking with you soon.